Hey chickies, thanks for hanging out for a few minutes today. We're going to be unboxing the February Boxycharm, which is a $25 a month monthly subscription inside your guaranteed 5 full-size items. So I hope you'll join me for today's video. If you're new here, I'm Christine, curate beauty, lifestyle, as well as raw vlogs. Greatly appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel. Would absolutely love it if you'd be a part of the Chickie crew. Also, don't forget to hit that bell to be notified of new videos. So if you haven't heard of Boxycharm, it's essentially a monthly subscription where you pay $25 a month inside your guaranteed 5 full-size items. I've been pretty much happy with the items in my Boxycharm. I tried as much as possible not to really check out other people's videos. Let us see what we have in our Boxycharm. When you receive your box, this is what you will see, and they always include a postcard, which I always think is so handy because it tells you everything that's in the box and also gives you the retail value of each of the items. And this one is a little bit difficult for me to read just because it's like light pink and then the writing is white, so still all good. So let's kind of just dig into the first product. This is from the brand EVO Skin Aurora. It's the refreshing cleansing hemp wipes. I cannot read this for the life of me. From what I can read on the postcard, it says that this retails for $10. These are also supposed to be biodegradable wipes. They're also multitasking, so I guess you can use them for waterproof makeup. It smells alright. It smells like makeup wipes, so I will definitely test this out the next couple of days. Look out for this coming Sunday Faves and Nays, where I'll give you a little review on this product. Next up, we have from the brand Kate Somerville. I've never tried out a Kate Somerville item. Biomimicking peptides, smooth and firm. It's a 5-peptide blend, targets loss of elasticity and firmness while visibly reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This retails for $98. Definitely all about serums, and I'm really curious how this will work on my skin since I do have pretty sensitive skin and I've never tried a Kate Somerville product. Next up, we have from the brand First Aid Beauty. This is the Facial Radiance Pads. Helps exfoliate, tone, and brighten. This product is supposed to be alcohol-free. It retails for $16. I wish I could read a little bit more on what the product is about, but to be honest with you, I'm struggling reading the postcard just because there's not enough contrast with the card itself this month. Next up, we have from the brand Ciate London, and this is the Everyday Vacay. Ooh, what is this? I mean, packaging on this is so pretty. It has a little bow. It's like a rose gold cap, and let's see. Oh yeah, you can smell a bit of that coconut scent in this. I love testing out different setting powders. This one retails for $22, so I will definitely give you my thoughts on this in an upcoming Sunday Faves and Nays. But I mean, packaging, presentation, coconut scent, definitely all about it. Lastly, in the box, we have these brushes. I like how these have the brush guards on them. These are wonderful. When you wash your brushes, you can actually reuse these to kind of reshape your brushes. And these are from the brand Alamar. I'm a huge fan of Alamar. I have a couple of their other brushes, I think for the eyes. Love those so much. These seem like they're nice and soft. I love the handles. So we have here a bronzer brush. We also have a complexion brush. Then we have here a brightening brush. I think this would be great for right underneath the eyes to set the under eye concealer. And these 3 brushes retail for $36. Let's do a little recap on the items we received in this month's box. So we have the Alamar Cosmetics brushes, which I know I'm definitely going to be getting a lot of use out of. I know I'm also going to be testing out the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. And I know I'm going to be using the makeup wipes. Now, I love how we also have a couple of other skincare items in here from Kate Somerville as well as from First Aid Beauty. To be honest with you, I like to incorporate one new skincare item at a time. Normally one every few days, just to give my skin a bit of time to adjust and see how it will react. But overall, I'm very pleased with this month's box, especially for the price point of $25. I think you definitely cannot go wrong with this monthly subscription. So I'm curious to know what was in your February Boxycharm. Did we receive the same items? Did we get completely different things? Would love to hear your thoughts down in the comment area. So I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me for a few minutes today. If you did, please make sure you give this video a like, subscribe if you have not already, really would love for you to be a part of the Chicky crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Have an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.